Hey all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. I'm Darren, and today I'm going to go ahead and season my new M36 Mother of All Grills from M Grills. I got it all put together, all ready to go. All I need to do is season it up. It's real easy, and I'm gonna kind of walk you through it. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
Alright guys, if you've never seasoned a grill before, it's really easy, and on something like this, you're really going to want to do it. This is all 10 gauge steel. It's really heavy duty, and you've got a lot of stainless in here, and you really want to get this seasoned up so that you don't have any issues with it down the road. So before I cook on it, I'm going to go ahead and season it. And really, there's instructions that come with the grill, but all you really need to do is take some cooking spray or spray oil of some kind and pretty much just give it a nice coat all over the inside of this grill. Doesn't have to be a ton. You just want to make sure you get it all covered. Get all the pieces. I mean, you can even get underneath. We're going to take this off. And we're going to go ahead and take our grates off with our grate tools here. I'm going to take all this out, and I'm going to spray inside here. And I don't have any foil down or anything yet, so I don't have to take everything out. I'm just going to go ahead and spray all of this down. Get a nice coat of oil on the walls. Alright, that's it guys. I'm going to go ahead and put the grates back in and maybe give it one more spray, and then we're going to get the fire fired up and let it come up to temp so we can get this thing all seasoned up. Alright guys, just going to give it one more quick spray on these grates. And that's it. So now all I'm going to do is get my firebox going with some charcoal, and we're going to let this get up to about 350 or so and leave it there for about a half hour, and we should be good. So I'm going to take it over to the firebox, load it up, and we'll get this thing going. Be right back. Alright guys, just to show you this basket, like I said, it's pretty stout, pretty heavy, and it's got plenty of holes in it. It's going to bring a lot of airflow, and I got the ash basket right underneath, and I'm just going to put some actual charcoal briquettes in there that I got left over. I'm not going to fill it up. I'm just going to put enough in there to burn, you know, for 45 minutes to an hour. I'm going to let these burn all the way out, but I'm going to go ahead and use my grill gun to light these up. You'll see people using fire starters or using chimneys and all that, charcoal chimneys, but I love my grill gun for the convenience of it. And really, how can you beat light charcoal with a big flamethrower like this? It doesn't take long at all to get this lit. Literally, I can have this thing up to temperature within 5 or 10 minutes. Pretty much does the same thing a charcoal chimney does, but I don't have to worry about using a separate device. Alright, now we got plenty of a fire in there to get this thing going and up to temp. So now all I'm going to do is push this back in, close the door, open up my vent, close the top, open up my vent all the way on the top, And there you go. We should be able to get this up within a half hour, 45 minutes or so. I might leave it a little bit longer, but we're going to watch our True Tell True thermometer here, and then we'll be back in a little bit. There you go, guys. Rolling smoke for the very first time in the mother of all grills, the M36 from M Grills. Getting her all seasoned up. Temp hasn't started climbing yet on the dial, but plenty of smoke coming out. I've got the top and bottom vents opened up all the way, so shouldn't take us long to get up there, but just wanted to show you the smoke. I'll be right back. Alright guys, it's been 10 minutes and it's up to 200, actually 150, so we're getting up there. 175 maybe, so we're getting up there. Probably another half hour or so it'll be up to the 350 or so. I'm just going to let it run up there, and then we're going to choke it down. So I'll be back when we get up there. Alright guys, it's been about 35-40 minutes now, and we're right up at just over 300, still climbing. And I'm just going to show you the inside. I'm not going to make you guys wait the whole time, because all we're doing is making sure it looks like this. We got a nice coat of the oil on there, and it's got a nice sheen to it, and I'm going to let this run. Probably just going to let it burn all the charcoal out to get this all, make sure it's all seasoned up well. But it's really easy. Make sure you do this when you get a new grill, no matter if it's M Grills or a regular grill from Home Depot. It's going to make it last longer. It's going to make it so you don't rust it out and all that. So just go ahead, make sure you season up your grills. I'll see you again on the next fire and water cooking video. I'm going to be doing a lot of cooks on this particular grill, different cooks. We're going to be smoking, we're going to be grilling, we're going to be searing, all kinds of stuff. So make sure you follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, like, subscribe, and share this channel if you want to see more videos on the M Grill M36 mother of all grills and other stuff. I'll be back on the next fire and water cooking video.